working with music composition software and got an MG1 project file. This is a project file from MusiGenesis, a music composition application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these MusiGenesis project files. A quick note, our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. MG1 Files are project files created by MusiGenesis, a music composition software designed for creating original musical compositions. They store complete project data, including melody chord progressions, rhythm patterns, instrument assignments, tempo settings, and composition structure for music creation workflows. MG1 Files use MusiGenesis's proprietary format, storing musical elements as structured data with notes, timing, instrument selections, and arrangement information. The format preserves complete composition state, enabling editing and refinement across multiple sessions in the MusiGenesis composition environment. Windows often defaults to associating MG1 with the MusiGenesis solution from Microsoft Corporation. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows supports standard playback, but advanced processing requires specialized tools. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your MG1 file and choose Open With. Test with MusiGenesis first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. When your MG1 file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The easy solution is off the table. We must now isolate the MG1 error using these three focused and necessary troubleshooting steps. First, opening in MusiGenesis. Install MusiGenesis from its official source and launch the application. Use File then Open to load the MG1 project file. The composition displays in the MusiGenesis editor with all musical elements, melodies, chord progressions, and instruments accessible for editing playback and arrangement modifications. Next, exporting to MIDI. Within MusiGenesis, export the project to standard MIDI format using File then Export, selecting MIDI as the output type. The exported MIDI file plays in any MIDI player and can be imported into digital audio workstations like Cubase, Logic Pro, or FL Studio for further development with professional production tools. Finally, rendering audio. Use MusiGenesis to render MG1 projects to audio formats like WAV or MP3 for playback in standard media players. The rendering process applies all instruments, effects, and arrangement choices, producing finished audio files. These can be shared with listeners who don't have MusiGenesis installed for project review or distribution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.